right, we are doing third grade multiplication and division 10 frames. The great thing about the multiplication and division 10 frames is that you can make a 10 frame anywhere. Remember, 10 frames and multiplication division is only one strategy that we do teach our kiddos. So you want to start out with a 10 frame and then a problem. So for example, 3 times 4. The kiddos are going to take 3 boxes and they're going to make 4 dots. We really encourage our kiddos to use dots that look like dice. So like 1 would be like this, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put 4 in each. So we encourage our kiddos to use the most effective way to count their dots. So for example, this one may be counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 3 times 4 would equal 12. Also, teaching reciprocal 4 times 3. That would be encouraging your kiddos to use 4 boxes, but only having 3 dots in each. Again, trying to encourage them to look like dice. They can also use it with the 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it would equal the same way. Another way you can use a 10 frame is with division. So again, 10 frames is just one strategy, but the first thing that you do is draw your 10 frame. So if we have 16 divided by 4 equals question mark. We encourage our kiddos to look at our smallest number and draw or highlight 4 10 frames. They know that they couldn't use a 16 because there's not 16 frames in a 10 frame. Then they need to make 16 dots. This would again will be where they were using the most efficiency. They could start with 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, which is too much than 16, so maybe 4s or 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Again, the 10 frame is looking like a dice as best as they can. So then they would go and look at one of those 10 frames to know how many 4s can be cut into 16s. And there would be 4. This could again be, only this problem doesn't really work on that, could be reciprocal. Let's try another one. Let's try 12 divided by 3 equals blank. Again, we ask the kiddos to draw their 10 frames. The smaller number would be how many frames, highlight that, and they need to make 12. Counting by 5s could be easy, 5, 10, 15, too many, so let's try it by 2s. 2, 4, 6, not there yet, 8, 10, 12, we're there. How many is in one square? There's 4.